A proper workplace safety program should do many things, but its top priority should be protecting workers and ensuring they make it home alive. In today's ABCs of Safety, we examine the impacts that a worker death has on a business and its employees with a special guest, SCT Senior Vice President Rob Medlock. K is for keeping workers safe. According to the latest data from the Bureau of Labor Statistics, 2016 saw the third straight annual increase in workplace fatalities. The 5,190 deaths in 2016 was a 7% increase over 2015's total. The fatal injury rate also increased to 3.6 deaths per 100,000 full-time workers, which was the highest rate since 2010. During his career in the safety industry, including 2 decades leading Cleveland's area OSHA office, Rob Medlock has seen just how devastating a workplace death can be to a company's operations.
There are 2 main components. One is the direct cost, and it's dealing with the law, and it's dealing with the lost time and the replacement of the worker, and OSHA coming in. It certainly puts you on a heightened level with OSHA. You're on that radar as you've never been before if you're a company that's experienced a fatality. You also have indirect costs, which are not so known. They're sort of the iceberg effect that we've all seen, and everything from productivity to absenteeism to, temporary worker replacement to training folks, just a lot of indirect costs. So it's estimated it's almost 5 to 7 times of what the direct costs are.
According to OSHA, businesses spend about $170 billion per year on costs associated with occupational illnesses, injuries, and deaths, while companies with a functioning safety and health management system can cut those costs by 20 to 40%. But even more importantly, a workplace death can negatively impact the morale of a workforce and destroy the trust that they have in their employer.
When I go to workplaces and I'm trying to assist them, they'll mention if they had a fatality, and if it's the same management, it doesn't really matter how many years. It still has an impact. Now sometimes that impact is positive because it actually makes them, there's a realization there that it can happen. And no one intends for this to happen. I mean, it's devastating enough, but companies feel sort of to blame, like they've dropped the ball somewhere along the line. So that's the sort of aura that's involved with fatality. But it takes a good year for them to sort of get back on their feet and get back into flow where they were before the accident.
Thanks for watching another edition of the ABCs of Safety. We hope we have opened some eyes about the potential serious consequences of a workplace fatality. SCT and everyone else in the safety industry is continuing our quest to eliminate all injuries and fatalities from the workplace. Check back with us for our next episode on the letter L.